Hey guys, Michael Newrock here. I'm just about to take a trade or considering a trade. It's a sell on the pound Kiwi. I'm just going to move this to the side. And we can see here that we've had quite a move down. So let's have a look here. From the inception of the trend in the first swing, it's been just over 350 pips to its low. We've had this correction since then, and now this swing. So a move in price action down in line with the trend. Overall trend direction is down. The well, 4 out of the 6 high time frames are pointing down. Um, it's very strong. We've got RSI below the 50. We've got the MACD that's changed to red. And of course, we've got fast moving average below the slow moving average, price below the fast moving average. The trend follower is red. So, all conditions are in. I'm going to take this trade. And here we go. A little bit of a delay on the stop. Sometimes it's instant. Other times it's going to take a little bit of time, and there it is. So we've got a small risk there, but it is a little concerning that we've already moved quite a way down. However, the strength of this downward move, gives me a feel for. So we've got about 110 pips to the stop. Or the risk, and about 100 pips to that nearest low. So I'm interested in this trade, but I'd like with all my trades, lock in profits as I go. So my trade management is in place. I can actually modify that after this entry to see where I feel comfortable with. But at this stage, it's looking pretty strong for a continuation of this downward move, followed by this swing within the current downward trend. So I'm going to pause the video right now and come back as soon as I have an update. Hey guys, Michael Newrock here, and take a look at this, $4,720. What a great update. And update one, it's already moved 300 pips. I've locked in my positions. I've got 2 positions on this trade, so I've got some nice healthy profits already in place. It's a stronger than before downward move. We've got 5 out of the 6 high time frames pointing down. When this swing went down, it continued to go down without going against me fairly gradually, and then we got another big swing that you can see on the previous bar to the current bar, and that's really pushed it seriously into the black. So I love trades like this. I thought it was a little pushed possibly at the time, but this trade has exceeded expectations, and I'm excited to see how it goes from here. So I'm going to pause the video and come back as soon as I have another update. Hey guys, I'm back, and wow, over 5 grand right now on the same trade that I've been riding for the last 2 days. We've had a little bit of a consolidation, but what we've seen is a tightening of the stops on the first and second position. So I've got my trade trailing via the moving averages, the 2 different moving averages for the 2 different positions in this case. I've got 5 different ways to trail the trade, but I've chosen those methodologies for now. And going well, to say the least. I'll be back with another update as soon as I have one. Cheers. Hi, back again. Okay, my first position has been closed out, but at the same time, it's converted $2,237 from equity from my open trade into capital, okay, added to the bank, added to my account. Some serious money right there, and that's only on half my position. So I've got my my second trade open, currently $2,117. I've got it locked in for just on 100 pips. It's going to continue to trail via the slow moving average in this case. I can even set it to sit just above the moving average, or whatever I want. It's extremely flexible as far as trading the trade goes with the profiteer management system. So that's it's been a heck of a ride. I'm really pleased with this. You don't get $5,000 trades every day or every week, but this is a nice one, and of course all traded on just one lot trades, so 2 one lot positions. So I'm extremely pleased with how things are going, and I'll be back as soon as I have another update. Hey, I'm on the pound Kiwi, and I've just woken up to this $2,237 closed on my first position, but the market has reopened and it's gapped to the downside, as they say. So it's currently 450 odd pips in profit. It's been as high as 520 pips in profit, and currently sitting on, if I wanted to close out now, 4,440 bucks. Uh, there's too much money on the table right now. This trade has moved much quicker than my uh, trailing methodologies has been able to keep up with it. So, and that happens on times like this with when you get this big gap. So I'm going to modify the trade to 170, and right now that means I've got 360 pips locked in profits in my second position. So that's a really nice place to be. So currently around about 6,700 from this one trade. That's sizable money. That's a nice big chunk off the mortgage, or the boat, or a couple of weeks or a week at least in Europe, or some nice vacation, Thailand perhaps. But anyway, whatever your preference is for the circulation of the money that you receive, I'm sure you'll agree that's a decent chunk of change. So extremely good trade. We're still going. Not all trades are going to be like this, and you are going to have losers. That's just the name of the game. Consider it an operating cost of your business. But I'm thrilled. I'm going to pause right now before I go on any further and come back as soon as I have an update. Cheers. Okay, that's me out of the trade, but hey, 5,730 odd dollars, uh, 5,730 bucks. I had to just repeat that for myself. That's a good trade. I'm extremely happy with it, and I'm sure you would be too. I've just put the second trade on the charts. You can see it here. We got all the way down to this point here for it's like 360, 370 pips. Let's have a look. 240 on the first position, 375 pips. It made a maximum of 535 pips thereabouts, but a fantastic trade. The music always stops at some point. The trick is to be able to, keep on dancing for as long as it lasts, as long as you can. So I'm delighted with this trade. The overall position is still down. 5 out of the 6 high time frames are pointing down. Will definitely be taking a look at this in the coming immediate future to see if I can get back in, perhaps in another swing, or perhaps drop it down in time frame and catch a trend. But it's certainly a wonderful trade, and I'm delighted with the results. So 5,700, over 5,700 bucks added to my account. So that just helps me. The more money you have, the more money you can make. So I can choose to withdraw funds whenever I want. I wouldn't recommend it more than monthly, just so you give yourself an opportunity to make those gains, or at least trade the month out. And I look forward to being able to share my system with you, my software, the resources, the training, and everything else, the community, my mentorship. Of course, that's all included as a trend profiteer, and I'm so proud to be able to offer this to traders that want to take it to the next level and become a consistently successful and profitable trader. So until next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.